Bullish Ethereum cost expectation goes from $1,456.70 to $4,766.67. ETH cost could likewise reach $5,000 soon. ETH negative market cost expectation for 2022 is $848.75. This Ethereum Eth cost expectation 2022 video depends on specialized examination alone. Underneath, you will see the conversions that we have thought about after thinking of our ETH value examination and forecast. Ethereum is one of the most amazing digital currencies in 2021, subsequent to returning more than 100% benefit to its holders. In the event that 2017 beginning coin contributions, ICO, like EOS, 2021 is the extended period of Ethereum, since it achieved its current all-time excessive cost of $4,891.70 on November 16, 2021. As of late, Ethereum's London hard fork overhaul went live. Eminently, the hard fork occurred at a block level 12,965,000. Besides, the hard fork has additionally carried out 5 new ETH improvement proposals, IPs. Notwithstanding, IPs 1559, 3554, 3529, 3198, 3541 are code overhauls that point on further developing the client experience of ETH's organization. What is Ethereum Eth? Ethereum is a decentralized open-source blockchain framework that empowers its own digital currency, Ether. Besides, the ETH functions as a stage for some other digital currencies, as well concerning the execution of decentralized savvy contracts. All the more in this way, Ethereum was first made sense of in a 2013 white paper by Vitalik Buterin. Buterin, alongside other fellow benefactors, got financing for the task in a web-based public group deal in the late spring of 2014 and authoritatively sent off the blockchain on July 30, 2015. Its cost at the ICO was $0.311. Much more, Ethereum's own implied objective is to turn into a worldwide stage for decentralized applications, empowering clients from everywhere the world to compose and run programming that is impervious to oversight, personal time, and extortion. Ethereum Eth current market status. As of the hour of compassing this Ethereum specialized investigation, ETH exchanges at $2,501.35 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $31,469,392,702. Nonetheless, the cost of ETH has diminished by 10.22% as of now. Besides, ETH has an ongoing coursing supply of 119,264,647.37 ETH. As of now, the top crypto exchanging stages for ETH are Binance, FTX, Bitfinex, UOB Global, Bits, Bybit, and OKEx. Besides, ETH can hit ETH provided that it breaks numerous past mental protections. Assuming this negative pattern inverts, Ethereum will reach $4,766.67 toward the finish of 2022. In addition, the principal half of 2022 will show quick development, up to $1,456.70. Then, at that point, this ascent will dial back, yet no significant falls are normal. With impending associations and advancements coming to $5,000 is very hopeful in the price tag of view, yet without a doubt practical for the not-so-distant future. Ethereum Eth price prediction 2023. With the expansion in the quantity of ventures that are sent off in the Ethereum convention, there will be ceaseless interest for Ether, which could cause the cost to get to $10,000 in 2023. Ethereum Eth price prediction 2024. According to the most recent overhauls, advancements, ETH cost forecast, and new undertaking figures of the stage, ETH financial backers could expect numerous associations and incorporations around 2024. Additionally, this could support the cost of ETH in the crypto market, and it will be all that venture as the cost can spike and stretch around $12,500. Ethereum Eth price prediction 2025. In the following 3 years, ETH cost could race up to $20,000. In any case, arriving at this level couldn't be so challenging for ETH as extra medium, present moment, and long-haul value targets could be found to buy or sell orders. This demonstrates that ETH has a high chance of coming to new ETH soon in the following 3 years according to the forecast. Ethereum Eth price prediction 2026. Independent of the remedies the market encounters, the cost of ETH could get to no less than $30,000 toward the finish of 2026, however there is a high feeling that it very well may be outperformed. Ethereum Eth price prediction 2027. According to the most recent redesigns, improvements, ETH cost forecast, and new venture gauges of the stage, ETH financial backers could expect numerous organizations and reconciliations around 2027. Additionally, this could help the cost of ETH in the crypto market, and it will be all that venture as the cost can spike and stretch around $45,000. Ethereum Eth price prediction 2028. In the following 6 years, ETH cost could race up to $60,000. Nonetheless, arriving at this level couldn't be so hard for ETH as extra medium, present moment, and long-haul value targets could be found to buy or sell orders. This demonstrates that ETH has a high chance of coming to new ETH soon in the following 6 years according to the forecast. Ethereum Eth price prediction 2029. According to the most recent redesigns, advancements, ETH cost expectation, and new venture figures of the stage, ETH financial backers could expect numerous associations and reconciliations around 2029. Also, this could help the cost of ETH in the crypto market, and it will be all that speculation as the cost can spike and stretch around $80,000.